Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test of Suzuki Aerio D3SZ270. As it almost falls out. Yeah, let's get a little gas here. Fail. Let's try this again. This is D3SZ270. Thing needs a little love to stay running. She's running good. If you also start right something, cut it over there. Let's see over here. Get it away. Had nice clean oil on it. See here in the video. It'll mix everything. She was walloped pretty good in the right corner here. I'm going to shut her off. I don't want it to overheat or anything. And I'm still trying to get the mileage off this thing. The speedometer doesn't seem to want to light up. But I will have it noted properly in the description. Thanks again for watching J&J's Auto Wrecking D3SZ270.